Good evening, Sunday. Hello mga lods. Ang katang ito inayari ko sa mga lovers have a long distance relationship, you know? Right next to me, by the whistle. And shoutout tayo kay Brent Torres, John Adam, from ICT ng TRP Endopline, mga Endopline, no? Celine. Hello po sa inyo, Lods. Hi to Kyle Haramel Gibara, yung alias Muy Muy. Sa mga Gibara, sa Sampaloc, and sa Santol, mga Grobador family, hello po sa inyo. This song is all for you.
Just try to understand, this is not what I planned. I'm sorry this had to be. Girl, oh girl, every minute's a woman, and you're the woman that I choose, and I can't afford to lose you, baby. I'll be there one day and you will be right next to me. 'Cause I'll be there one day and you will be right next to me. And I swear to the world, you'll always be my girl. Just say you'll be right next to me. I'll be there one day and you will be right next to me.